Good morning, PCE scholars. Welcome back from spring break. I hope that you all had a nice, restful, relaxing vacation. We're going to recap a little bit of what happened before we went on break. This is a picture of Mrs. Alpert's class in the library doing some mindful breathing. There's a little bit more space in the library, and so Mrs. Alpert took her students in there in the afternoon. Next, this is a picture of Mrs. McMillan's fifth graders. Look at their harvest. They've been working very hard planting and harvesting their vegetables. They're doing a great job. They're also harvesting peas. So if you get a chance to go see the garden, take a look at their handiwork. Third grade was hard at work on their book clubs. As you can see, they're kind of situated in small groups, reading together and working on common books. Fifth grade was working with their little buddies. Here's a picture of our fifth graders and our first graders, it looks like, and our kindergartners. Sorry about that. Great job, fifth graders, being great mentors to your little buddies. I'm sure they love all the time they get to spend with you. Now, before we went on break, there was a mischievous leprechaun making its way around Peters Canyon. He destroyed my office. He made a mess in the kindergarten wing. Boy, there was evidence to be found everywhere. And I know that our kindergartners were hard at work trying to trap that leprechaun. And guess what? Finally, our friends in Mrs. Limos's class trapped that pesky little leprechaun. We caught him. So great job, Room 202. Mrs. Strong, Mrs. Matthews, and Mrs. Carell's class had a great time at the annual Hawk Games at Hillview High School. Our students go over, and the high schoolers from Hillview High School are mentors for the day, playing with our children, doing sports activities, and then they host a nice hot dog lunch for us. Our second graders presented their biography reports. They worked so hard on and dressed up in costume as they presented to the class. So great job on your biography reports. Also, some kids in Miss Lee's class had a great time conducting a science experiment. Great job. We also have some friends here showing that they were learning about time. Great job, second grade. Mrs. Salazar's class held their end of unit writing celebration, and they took time to read one another's work and also commented on it. It was great. Our kinders, here's a picture of our kinders practicing their mindful breathing. Love it, love it. Keep practicing. You get better at it. And over break, I had some fun with my daughter. We did goat yoga. It was a great time. Kind of silly, but those fun goats, they climbed on our backs and we got to hold them at the end. It was a great time. We really enjoyed it. But definitely a giggle moment for sure. And now it's time for Mindful Monday. Today we're going to focus on listening while we are breathing. So right now I'd like you to find a comfortable position. Sit up straight and tall and take a long breath in and let it all the way out. Hold your body really still. Listen. What do you hear? Close your eyes for a minute so that you can really focus. What sounds are around you? If you listen even more, what do you hear? Take a long breath in and let it all the way out. Now share with your teacher some of the things that you heard while you were focusing and listening while breathing. Have a great day, Trailblazers.